attention, please. Welcome aboard Metro-North. This is the 817 Harlem Line train to Southeast. Stopping at Harlem on 20th Street, then going express to Scarsdale, Hartsdale, White Plains, North White Plains, Valhalla, Hawthorne, Pleasantville, South Block, Mount Kisco, Bedford Hills, Katona, Goldens Bridge, Pernice, Croton Falls, Brewster, and finally Southeast. We have 6 open cars, front 4 cars to exit at Croton Falls and Brewster. All doors will open at all other stops. Use the overhead racks under the seats and in the vestibules to store away all your personal belongings. Make all seats available to all passengers.